Hi, welcome to your channel د.غصمت English. Wherever you are, I hope you are well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like to have all my videos uploaded. Ramadan Kareem. What's the purpose of fasting in Ramadan? Why does Allah prescribe upon us as Muslims fasting in general and Ramadan in particular? In the Holy Quran, Allah clarifies the wisdom behind fasting. At-taqwa, the closeness to Allah, the strong connection with Allah. As a Muslim, when I decide to fast in Ramadan, I should put in my mind the closeness to Allah. I should bear in my mind the wisdom behind fasting. That's the strong connection with Allah. A Muslim should does his or her best to make the relation with Allah very, very strong. A Muslim should make his relation with his Creator the strongest one ever. He or she should get rid of anything, any obstacle that may affect his or her relation with the Creator of the universe. The true Muslim all the time purifies what's inside him, all the time purifies his heart, purifies his soul, all the time he aims at achieving the greatest degree of closeness with Allah. Closeness with Allah is the greatest aim of any Muslim in his life, because the closeness with Allah will lead him to the paradise in the life hereafter. In Ramadan, the aim of fasting is developing the connection with our Creator, Allah Almighty. Allah accept our fasting. Allah help us to develop our connection with you. Allah be with us all the time. Be with us all the time. Be with us all the time. Amen.